So Israel, you've been here 3 months now. What's your opinion about India? More specifically, Okhla and Jamia. What do you think? What do you mean?
It's a tough one. अपने आप में ही डाइवर्सिफाइड है.
मतलब? अच्छा एक बात बताओ, तुम्हें यूएस और यहाँ में क्या फर्क लगता है?
फर्क जमीन आसमान का फर्क है भाई.
जैसे?
यही कुछ 100-200 सालों का.
हम 100-200 साल इसलिए पीछे हैं क्योंकि हम आज भी अंधविश्वासों और बकवासों से बाहर नहीं आ पाए और इसी बात का फायदा उठाते हैं ये लोग. इन्हीं को देख लो, अमेरिका को बने हुए 400 साल भी नहीं हुए हैं अभी और हमें वजूद में आए हुए 5000. लेकिन आज भी हम उनके पीछे हैं. क्यों? जवाब है किसी के पास इसका? अमेरिकन यहां बिना वीजा के आकर टट्टी कर जाते हैं और हमें उनकी टट्टी धोने के लिए भी वहां जाने के लिए वीजा चाहिए होता है. हम तो सिर्फ एक दूसरे को काटने और मारने में ही लग गए हैं और इसी बात का किसी और ने फायदा उठा लिया और वो लोग कुछ ना होते हुए भी पूरी दुनिया से भड़वे की तरह नॉलेज और रिसोर्सेज बटोरकर अपने मुल्क और अपने लोगों को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं. What up, bro? So how long you been in India?
I just landed yesterday.
How's it going so far?
So far good.
Well,
Sir, how is you?
I'm just coming back from the dean's office. Just make sure you don't miss any more classes, okay? Then we can give them some excuse of an illness you had. You know what I mean?
Thank you, bye. What are we up to?
That's a good question. I think it might be not such a bad idea if we start with the canteen. What do you say?
Sounds cool to me.
Let's go. Chotu, 2 coffee लेके आना. Would you like something else, Israel?
मैं बस कॉफी ले लूँगा.
अरे वाह यार. I didn't know you know Hindi as well.
I know Hindustani very well.
छोटू, 2 कॉफी के साथ 2 सैंडविच भी लेके आना. That's really cool, man. So you picked up the language in just 1 day?
I know Hindustani very well.
Nice, man. So what brings you to India? Are you gonna teach here or something?
No, I'm here to research on the dichotomies existing between religions and cultures.
Sounds great. So where are you gonna be conducting your research?
Here only at Jamia. Most of my research will be conducted here only.
Great. So where are you staying and where's all your saman, yaar?
Yesterday I checked in a hotel at Connaught Place. Now I think I'm gonna look for a place in the neighborhood.
You have something in mind yet?
Not yet. I'm not acquainted with a place. Thinking of exploring few areas today.
Hold on a minute. Hello. Theodore. Where are you, man? Where have you been? Acha, listen, is there an apartment I can rent around here? Nahi yaar, it's not for me. It's for a friend. Who? Wajahat bhai. Okay. I'll talk to him then. Thanks, Theo. I'll see you in the evening, yeah? Later. Israel, consider your work done.
Great.
So you've got your apartment. When do you want to see it?
Well, as soon as possible so that I can start my work and settle down ASAP.
That's good, man. Then, how about right now?
Okay, cool. Let's go.
Alright. By the way, did you get a chance to travel in an auto rickshaw yet?
No, but I would love to do someday.
How about today?
Now.
Right now?
Great.
Rickshaw! Jory farm chalo bhaiya. So, are you gonna pick up your stuff and shift today itself?
Yes, today seems a good day.
Well, if you'd like, I can help you move. I can come along with you.
Shiva, you have been so kind until now. I don't want to trouble you anymore.
Trouble? Come on, man. After all, we're friends now, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
So,
So,
hello, Farhan. Yeah. Okay. Acha, listen, I just need to talk to you about something.
you hungry?
Not really.
I'm starving.
You know, I am a little thirsty though.
Oh, okay. I know what you mean. So, you know a good place?
Yeah.
So,
So,
so let's go. So, what are you up to?
well, government service is the word. And if you ask me why, the money. Really, really good money. Plus, of course, the satisfaction of working with the government. But, most importantly, it gives you a platform to voice your opinions.
Sounds interesting. And what about girls? I mean, any plans of marriage or something like that?
What are you talking about? Marriage? Of course not. I'm not getting married.
Why?
Because I hate women. Can we move?
Sure.